What's up, guys? I just got ready for bed, and we've got a package to open. Let's get to opening. Okay, so it's the little breathing strips, and it came with a little note, and it just tells you to clean and dry your nose, and then when you put it on, rub it into your skin for 10 seconds. Thanks, Rachel. This comes with 30 nose strips. Let's crack her open. And put it on our nose. Push it into our skin for 10 seconds. I love these. I've never used nose strips before, so we'll see how this works. It's almost like invisible. I could wear these to school. No one would even know. These feel very high quality. Anyways, if you guys want one of these, the link will be right here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.